So children, this class is about triangle today. In the previous classes, we have learnt about a circle. Can you tell me which shape is this one? It's a circle. Now, can you tell me which shape is this one? It's a square. It's a square shape. Very good. Now, can you tell me what is the shape of this card here? You are right. It's a rectangle. It's a rectangle. What is the shape of the card here, children? It's a rectangle. If you fold the square shape into half, do you know what shape we will get? Anybody, any guesses? What is the shape we get if you fold a rectangle to half? Which shape is this one? Can anyone tell me? It's a triangle. It's a triangle. It's none other than a triangle. So today, now we are going to learn about triangle. You also can draw along with me, children. Go and get your color pencils and a white paper, everybody. You also can draw. So children, look here. We are now going to draw a triangle. One slanting line, one slanting line, and one sleeping line makes a triangle. Can you tell me which shape is this one, children? Which shape is this? So this is a triangle shape. This is a triangle. Okay, children, this is a triangle. Now come on, children. I want you all to draw triangle in your notebook. Did you finish drawing? Come on, draw a triangle now. One slanting line, one slanting line, one sleeping line. That's it. So, children, did I tell you? If you learn to draw all the 10 shapes, you can draw any drawing very easily because mostly all the other drawings can be drawn with the help of these shapes only. Triangle. Okay. Now, let's all color the triangle. Purple color, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Triangle, triangle, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Yes, this is my triangle. Which shape is this one, children? It's a triangle. Now, come on, children, let's all count how many sides a triangle is having, okay? 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. A triangle has 3 corners and also 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. This is called a side. This is called a side. 1, 2, 3. 3 sides and 3 corners. Okay. Come on, children. Now let us draw a few objects which are triangle in shape. Okay. Shall we draw some things which are triangle in shape? All right. Shall we do it, children? Come on, let's start. Can you tell me what is one very important thing which you know which is triangle in shape, children? Yes, pizza is one example. Yes, another example is cone ice cream from Kavya. First, let's draw a pizza. Who all wants to eat pizza today? Raise your hands. Raise your hands. Samosa, very good. Arey, wow, you're giving so many examples. Wait, let me draw all those for you. All food items only today in triangle. Huh? Come on, children. Let's all draw a pizza slice. Here you go. Wow, did you look at this one? Oh my god. Do you want tomato topping? Well, I'll do that for you. What else you want? Some capsicum? Okay, let's go. What else do you want? Some corn too? Okay, fine. I'll do that for you. Tutti frutti, this is. Can you tell me what is this? It's a pizza. It's a pizza. Who wants this pizza? Raise your hands. Come on, take. Very good, children. Now come, let's draw an ice cream. I'll show it to you how to draw an ice cream. Okay, children, come on, follow me. You just have to draw a V shape like this. Did you do this, children? Did you finish drawing this one? Yes? Now draw curves like this. What is this? It's an ice cream. We'll keep a cherry on top of it, okay? Who likes cherries, children? Do you like cherry? Beautiful cherry. Shall we give a smiling face to our ice cream, children? Shall we give a smiling face? Smiley. This is a ice cream. And yes, carrot also is triangle in shape. What is this? What is this? Can anybody tell me what is this? What is this? Very good. It's a carrot. Christmas tree. Very nice. I'll draw a Christmas tree for you, children. This is a Christmas tree. Christmas tree. Very good. Very good. Joker's hat. Very nice examples you are giving, children. Good job. Keep it up. These are all examples of triangle, okay? A clown's hat. Santa Claus hat is also triangle in shape. Or your winter cap is also in triangle shape. This woolen hat, which you use in winter, is triangle in shape. Okay. And what else, children? And what else? Mountains. Yes, very good. Beautiful example. So, children, come on, let's all draw mountains together. Just this, these are like mountains. And we also need a sun in between, right, children? This is the sun rising from in between the mountains. These are the mountains. Triangular ruler set square we call it, no? Children, I don't think so you are aware of this. In your higher sections, you will get this set square. Like this, you have a ruler. Cheese, yes, very good. Cheese is also triangle in shape. What is this, children? This is cheese. 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 Mad angles, you know, no? You'll eat mad angles, right, children? Which shape is in mad angles are in triangle? Some cookies are also triangle in shape. Okay. So, children, here are few things which are triangle in shape. Some triangle clock also can be there. This is samosa. Happy? I will draw a tent now. This is a tent, which is triangle in shape. So, children, now look here. These are few objects which are triangle in shape. Now, can you point out to the mountains here, children? Can you point out to the mountains? Where are the mountains? Point out to the mountains, children. Yes, nice example. Signboards on roads are on triangle shape. Can you point out, children? Can you point out to the mountains? Yes, here they are. Now, can you point out to a pizza slice? Children, can you point out to a pizza slice? Here it is. Very good. Now, children, can you point out to a carrot? Carrot. Yes, this is the carrot. Now, can you point out to a cheese piece? Cheese. Cheese. Here you go. This is cheese. Now, children, can you point out to a woolen hat or a woolen cap? Where is the woolen cap, children? This one over here. Good. Now, can you point out to a cone ice cream? Cone ice cream. Where is the cone ice cream, children? Can you point out to the cone ice cream? This one. Very good. Children, now can you point out to a set square? Where is the set square? Drawing I already finished. Tomorrow onwards I'll do little slowly. Where is the set square, children? This is the set square. Now, children, can you show me where is mad angles or nachos? Your chips or cookies which are triangle in shape. Can you show me where are they? Here on the picture. This one. Now, children, can you show me samosa? This one is. Do you want to eat? Now, come on, can you show me the Christmas tree here? Where is the Christmas tree? This is wow. And here we have at the back. I would like to draw the signboard also. Just give me a second. Then, have you ever seen signboards like this on the road with some signal on that? Do not park or do not cross. This is signboard. This is signboard. Okay, children. This is a tent. What is this? It's a tent. This is a clock. And this is a signboard. Okay. So, children, now tell me which one is your favorite among all these? Can you point out to your favorite diagram here, children? Can you show me which one is your favorite? Let me know which one is your favorite among all these drawings. So, very good, children. So, this is all about a triangle. Do you know triangle has three sides and three corners? A triangle is having three sides and three corners too. This is called a triangle. Okay. Now, shall we all sing a rhyme on this triangle, children? Yes? I am a triangle with three sides. Just say along with me, children. I am a triangle with three sides. To make me, you will draw three lines. I am a triangle with three sides. To make me, you will draw three lines. Make two slanting, the other lying flat. I am a triangle, don't forget that. Shall we sing it one more time, children? This triangle rhyme? Yes? Shall we sing the triangle rhyme? Yes? Very good. Come on, let's start. I am a triangle with three sides. To make me, you will draw three lines. Make two slanting hands like this. Make two slanting, the other lying flat. Make two slanting, the other lying flat. I am a triangle, don't forget that. Okay, children, once again, shall we sing the same rhyme? I am a triangle with three sides. To make me, you will draw three lines. Make two slanting, the other lying flat. I am a triangle, don't forget that. Once again, I am a triangle with three sides. To make me, you will draw three lines. Make two slanting, the other lying flat. I am a triangle, don't forget that. Okay, children, here it's a triangle, and you should never ever forget a triangle like this one. Okay? So, the exercise for you is you should quickly go and grab few things which are triangle in shape around you. Go and check if there are something which is triangle in shape around you. Children, quickly go and grab few things which are triangle in shape around you. Just see around if you can see anything which is triangle in shape and let me know. So if you have any doubts, you can let me know. Care, bye, 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 children.